Look at this one, guys. This is a red-tailed hawk. Look at the gorgeousness, beautiness of his face. This is amazing. Oh my God, this is so lovely to see them so close. You can think about them that they are in nature, flying so high above us, and seeing them so close is it's beautiful. It's like inspiring. So beautiful. Hey, hi, beauty. You're so cute. Lovely. I see what we have here, an American crow, but I don't know where it is. Not here. Oh, there you are. There you are. Hello. Hi, sweetie. I was looking for you. Oh, hi. Hello. Oh my goodness, guys. I love crows. They are so smart birds. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love crows. I love you. Yes, I'm talking about you.